Hello, and it's Finnish Lumberjack again. And here I'm on a job, quite a typical one. 3 spruces and 1 pine to fell. And today I'm using a tool called Stalpen. One kind of pusher. You can push a tree. And some tips about using this pusher. You should make a small hole for it so that it won't slip from the tree, and the ground you are putting it on should be quite firm so that it won't sink. Here I'm using quite a big stone for the base of Stalpen. And I'm making the notch and some small slides taking from the beside so that I can see exactly the bottom of the notch. And here comes the felling sawing. I have to do it from both sides because the spruce is so thick. I'm using 18-inch bar here, and here the spruce goes, and you must remember to pick up the Stalpen with you so that it won't go with the tree. And same spruce from the another point of view, and here it comes. The second one is pine, and here you can see the Stalpen is leaning on a tree already before making the hole, and that's because you can do the hole exactly right place when it's leaning, because in the first tree, the spruce, I had to make the hole twice because the first one was in wrong place. I'm aiming, and now I can do the felling from one side. This is a little bit smaller, and here it goes. This tool is that kind of thing. It makes my own power 7 times bigger, and the maximum is 2,600 kilos you can push. Here's the third one, quite a big spruce again, and I'm aiming towards my car. You can see it far away. Making the knots and then small slides for both sides. Then the felling sawing, and soon you can see that I leave my chainsaw in the slit. Now I'm taking it away and coming backwards. And if you leave the saw in the slit, the tree can't lean backwards because the bar is preventing that. And here's the last one. As you can see, the Stalpen is quite upright, and you should put it as upright as possible so the power is most most big or biggest one when it's upright. And here comes the notch. Maybe this one is so big that I have to do it from two sides because the bar is too short. Then again the small slides comes here and the felling sewing. I'm using jacket Husqvarna technical high width if somebody is interested in it, and the trousers are Husqvarna technical extreme. A little bit power and here it goes. Yeah.